Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video I will discuss about integer type primitive data type. So first we got here, that is byte, and the byte data type can store whole numbers from -28 to 127. This can be used instead of int or other integer types to save memory when you are certain that the value will be within -128 and 127. So let's show with an example. Byte num equals to 100. Here we are sure that the number is within 127. So let's print the num. And here you can see we got 100. In the same way, the short data type can store whole number from -327 -32,768 to positive number 32,767. These are all given in my previous videos description. You can check that, and you can also check my previous videos to know more about this. I will not tell in details. I will just show the examples by doing some practical. So here short and snum equals to 5000, and in run, sorry, I have not printed it, so let's print it. Here you can see we got 5000, and in the same way we can give int that we have used. Inum, let it be 1 lakh, and here you can see it is doing perfectly normal. And for long, let's say lnum equals to whatever you give the value here. After that you have to include L to tell, a capital L, to tell that the particular value is long type. This is used when integer is not large enough to store the value. Note that you should end the value with an L, that is to describe that it is a long type value. Let's print this. Here you can see we are getting the values correctly. And before ending this video, I want to show you one more thing, as just to show that what kind of errors you get if you give the wrong value. Suppose in byte, you can store from between -128 to positive 127, but if you give here 200, then you might run into some error. Here you can see type mismatch, cannot convert from int to byte, because now this is not a byte value. So you have to remember that what are the data types and how much values they can store, and if you exceed that, then you will run into errors. So to be sure not to exceed that limit, you can check my previous video to understand more about it, and there in the description you can find the detail of these numbers, that how much it can store. So till then, take care and goodbye.